Yes, Daksh. What are you doing?
I am arranging the cards in descending order.
Descending order. Very good. And what are these? These are beads, right?
Yes.
Okay. So are you able to solve?
Yes, sir.
Great. What is that card?
That is 15.
15. So where it will come?
After 16.
Before or after?
Before 16.
Good. Good. Are you getting it or no?
Yes. This is 83.
So where 83 will come?
83 will come before 50. Before 50 and even before 63.
Not after. It is after, not before.
After.
Yeah. You can place it there. Yeah. Good. Okay.
90, 83, 76, 71, 59, 53, 50, 47, 40, 29, 28, 25, 24, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10.
That's great. Means you have done the descending, right? Descending. Good, good. Descending activity. Very good. Very good.
Thank you, sir. 7700.
Good.
4500.
Good.
9999. Quarter 9.
गुड क्वार्टर 9. आगे बढ़ते हैं.
5001.
गुड.
9056.
शाबाश.
2101.
शाबाश.
हाँ. That is 1.
1 गुड.
That is 2.
ओके, तो ये तो इजी है.